What I'm attempting to do is repair MRC Tech II 2500 controllers. Don't know if you can see, but it is off, so I could turn it off. There's no power, everything is on here. But when I put it on, you look right here, there is a green light still on. When I put this LED, holiday light or Christmas light, to the terminal, it lights up. And the controller throttle is off. It's supposed to be when you turn it on, light gets brighter, and then your train will move. And you can control it, but it's still on, even though it's off. Same thing with the other one. But both of these have a voltage leak. I saw Ron from Classic Model Trains repair one of these, and it was a transistor. It's a little piece right here, which might be causing the issue I'm having. So I ordered mine from eBay, a bunch of them, like a pack of 10, and this is TIP 121. And you can see the numbers. They will be written on the outside. So I'm going to unplug these two and begin to fix it and see if it solves this problem. The tools you're going to need to get in this, it's a T10 torque wrench, but the security one that has a little bit of hole, there's a hole in it. To get these, get 6 screws out. It goes like in there, it goes in the little hole, and then it can open it. These are security ones, I guess, prevent us from fixing it. But this one is way out of warranty, so I'm going to open this. And it pops right off. Don't need the bottom one for now. I'm going to put that off to the side. So the culprit is right there. Removing the screw and bolt. And you don't want to lose the bolt. Also going to need the heat sink compound to replace the one that is on this aluminum shield, heat shield. Desoldering the transistor so I can remove the old one. It's the old one. And if you want to know what number it is, it's right there. It says TIP 121. Loosen up the bolt holding the circuit board to make it easy to get the transistor in place. Reinstalling the screw and bolt. Re-soldering the transistor, adding a little flux. I just have to tighten this. There we go. Just gonna put one to hold this in place. Maybe on this side to hold it down. I do still see the light, so I guess that was not where the problem was. There's still an issue because the light is on. I tried. I'll still use it to control the lights. Few days later. Still tinkering with this. But if you notice, it is on. Light is off. And the voltage you see is 0. I think I found out what else needed to be done. There are 2 variable resistors. One here, there's a little screw. One here. Not only do you have to change the transistor, but you may have to adjust these 2. So it's turn them all the way to the right, and then you turn it smidge to the left. So, and I slowly turned it, kept an eye on that to see if the light came back on, and then I just backed it off. I did it one by one. These, once I got it to where I want it, I tested it again. So when I go to move it all the way to 18, light came on. Back down to 10, and it's 1, and then it goes off to 0. I finally fixed it. Now I just have to test it I have them both side by side. I replaced the 2 transistors, adjusted the variable resistors. I have them both off. All of them was in the 0 position, stop position. I'm going to put them both on. There is no light in either one of them. If I move it a little bit, it's going to start going on. Same thing on this side. All the way to one end. It's at the fullest. And it slowly goes off. Back down to 0. I'm going to consider that a success. Only used for testing trains and the lights. So I'm done with this. Took me a few days to figure it out. I got it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.